Hello and welcome back. We are just continuing on in the Max Waters Very Easy Sudoku Volume 1. There is a link down in the description, or you can just search for it on Amazon if you would like to search along with me. Alright, looks like today we're doing number 305. We start with this box. We're missing 4, 6, and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 4, 6, 4 here, so 6, 8. 8 here, so 4, 6. That means that our 8 has to be here. For this top row, we're missing 4, 6, and 9. Don't see any help here. 4, 6, 9. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 6, and 9. We've got a 1 covering this box and a 9 here, so this is our 6, 1 here, so 9, 1. That 6 makes this our 9. We can get rid of this 9. For this box now, we're missing 4, 6, and 7. We've got a 6 here, so 4, 7. 4 here, so 6, 7. For this row, we're missing 2, 6, and 9. We've got a 6 and 9 here, so this is our 2. No other help. So 6, 9, 6, 9. For this row, we're missing 1, 2, 4, and 7. Got a 7 covering here, so 1, 2, 4. 1 and 2 here, so 4, 7. 1 and 4 here, so 2, 7. And that same 1 and 4, 2, 7. If we look now in that row, the only place the 1 can be is there, and the only place the 4 can be is here. And that 4 makes this our 7, which makes this our 6, 4, 6, 4. And then that 6 makes this our 9, 6. For this box now, we're missing 2 and 3. We've got a 3 here, so 2, 3. For this box, we're missing 2, 4, and 5. We've got a 2 and 5 here, so this is our 4. 2 here, so 5, 2. For this column now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're missing 7 and 9. We've got a 7 here, so 9, 7. For this column, we're missing a 1. For this box now, we're missing 4 and 5. We've got a 4 here, so 5, 4. For this column, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4. We're missing 5 and 8. We've got a 5 here, so 8, 5. For this box, we're missing 3 and 7. We've got a 7 here, so 3, 7. For this box, we're missing 1 and 9. We've got a 9 here, so 1, 9. For this row now, we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We're missing 6 and 8. We've got an 8 here, so 6, 8. For this row, we're missing 5 and 7. We've got a 5 here, so 7, 5. That 7 makes us our 2, 7. For this column now, we're missing 4 and 6. We've got a 4 here, so 6, 4. For this column, we're missing 2 and 9. We've got a 2 here, so 9, 2. And to finish off this box, we're missing 1 and 8. We've got a 1 here, so 8 and 1. And there we have it for today's puzzle. Thank you so much for joining me again today. I hope you have a very good day, and I will see you back here tomorrow with our next puzzle.